Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all. Back out here at the park. Got cars racing behind me. But yeah, it's Throwback Thursday, so I'm out here with one of the classics from back in the day. And this one I know a lot of you probably remember if you've been flying drones for a while, especially the brushless FPV scene. This one is the Blade Torrent 110. So this guy been through a lot. As you can see, it did have a diversity receiver on there, but one of the antennas been cut short. Didn't have time to really work on this thing, so I just grabbed it and brought it out. This one is actually not mine. Well, it might be mine now, but one of my friends, I don't know if you guys remember back in the day, one of my friends, he brought this thing over and allowed me to check it out, and he just never came back and got it. So I still have this thing, and I guess it's pretty much mine. I haven't seen that guy in a while. Still my homie. I do have a way to contact him. I lost my Facebook page, and so that was the only way that we used to really communicate. I think I have his number too, but anyhow, this is the Blade Torrent 110, and I did take the time to set this thing up to my Devo 12E. It's on DSMX, and this thing, it hasn't been updated. I was afraid to try to update it or do anything like that, so it still has the old beta flight on there, whatever version that it has on there, and it has everything stock. The props and everything are stock. These props were a pretty decent size for it to have power and all. I do have a 3S pack for this, but right now there's a 2S in there, and it's pretty small. Usually I'm going to be flying like a 450 pack in here, 2S or 3S, and I'm flying well, this is a 452S, but my 3S is only 300 milliamp hours. So hopefully it does well with it being so light and all. Probably make it fly better. Hope it doesn't mess with the kit. I hope the PIDs can handle it. But anyway, let's get this thing up in the air, do some line of sight. I might do some FPV with it too. Let's get it. Now the HD0 monitor for some reason would not record with this new SD card that I have. It's a 32 gigabyte card. I guess it couldn't handle that, but I'm thinking that this one does though. If I'm not mistaken, I have flown this one and recorded it. But anyhow, whoops. So things are backwards on this thing. I thought I had straightened out the arm switch. But we're in acro now. I don't think this has an OSD, but let's check it out. This is on 2S, guys. Not bad, right? This guy's not bad. thing is pretty good. On 2S. No buzzer, so I'm not going to fly it too long. Oh! And I'm trying to concentrate on looking up when I'm flying it. When I got it up high, I think it wasn't really in frame a couple times and banged this guy out. The ducks are protecting the props and all. They seem to be pretty sturdy. Don't look like anything broke. I smacked it right into the ground. Yeah, let me just test it with this pack to make sure it still flies, and then I'm gonna switch over to the 3S pack. Let's see. Uh-oh. We got one of the props not spinning on me. Hopefully this was just in the way. Oh yeah, it's the little duck was in the way. Let's see if we can get it going. Okay, yeah, so it's still going. But the battery's down, so let's pop in the 3S real quick. See what we can do with it. I'm gonna try to hit record on this monitor again, see if it records anything. We're on 3S. Don't seem like much of a difference. I guess it can't, either it can't take this 3S or this 3S pack sucks. So I guess we're gonna ride out with the footage that we have with it or whatnot. These are the only 2 packs I brought out. This is a little off-brand pack anyway. It probably can't handle the punch and everything of this guy, because it just sagged out, it seems like. And I thought this battery was charged fully, so that's probably what happened. The Blade Torrent 110. Throwback Thursday, y'all. Nostalgia. Thanks for watching.